little bit about me. No one likes to be sold or pressured into anything, let alone something as important as your home and your future. Education is the key to helping understand how a reverse mortgage would work within a financial plan. We provide lots of resources, but the most valuable is a conversation with me to talk through your goals, wants, fears, and questions. I encourage a discussion to include family, financial planners, or anyone else in your life that you would go to for counsel. Everyone you trust must feel comfortable and confident in your choice, and it starts with an understanding of how a reverse mortgage would fit with your overall financial plan now and into the future. Signet is a referral-based business with lots and lots of satisfied clients. You can check the comments saved on our website and the 5-star reviews on Google. We love it when clients refer their families, friends and family. Why do I love what I do? My favorite thing to do is listen to what somebody wants to do and then help to make that happen. And they realize they can accomplish more than they thought they could in retirement by accessing the equity in their home wisely. In addition to my professional finance and mortgage background, I've had the joy of caring for my grandmother the last 20 years of her life. She came to me when she was 85 and said that she was struggling to take care of her finances and needed someone she could trust to do so for her. Grandma lived to be 104 and a half, remained in her home the entire time with full-time care the last couple of years of her life. I also helped out with her younger sister who passed away in her mid-90s. We've had a reverse mortgage in the background in both cases, strictly for reserves to make sure they had the flexibility to stay in their homes and age in place.